Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Samara. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I make my withdrawals for the month and pay my bills. Well, I'm not going to show you guys how I pay my bills, but how I withdraw from Hankotrade broker's account so I can pay my bills and have fun with it. A little splurge, you know, whatever the case may be. So before we get into this video, guys, you already know what to do. You have to either like, comment, or subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, F-R-E-E. And if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and go follow your girl on Instagram and TikTok. I just created a TikTok, guys, so I'm super excited about that. So go ahead and go follow both of my social media platforms so you can get a little bit more into my life, all right? But let's get into the video.
What's up? Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
All right, guys, so if you haven't already, go ahead and go into your Hankotrade account. I'm going to go ahead and log in. My information's already updated into my computer, so all I had to do was just automatically go and log in. Of course, if you have that second passcode information, just go into your authentication code program and then go ahead and insert the number. All right, so this is my Hankotrade account, guys. So I want to take out $5,000, you know, treat myself, you know what I'm saying? So first thing first, I'm gonna go to withdrawals. I'm gonna go to the account that I want to take out the money from. I have two accounts, okay? Once it know that you made that withdrawal and things in that nature, right? So I just wanted to show you guys the withdrawal history so you can kind of get an idea of what it would look like. Of course, my internet is just moving super slow at this time, so I'm not sure what's going on, guys. All right, so right here in the withdrawal history, this was here, and then it's just going to show you the pending. So here I go to my email and it lets me know that it has been approved by the broker to give me my money. Okay. And then bam, guys, it is in my Cash App account, as you guys can see, and Bitcoin is actually shooting up. So I was able to get a little extra 44 bucks. You know what I'm saying? And that is pretty much it. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative, as well as if it was also a learning experience if you were having a difficult time with making withdrawals from Hankotrade. Also, guys, this is more of a motivational video. So I don't want you guys to feel like, oh man, like I'm not at the level that I need to be at because she's withdrawing this a large amount of money. Guys, it took me a minute to start making these bigger withdrawals. This is not where I want to be at. Sooner or later, I do want to make withdrawals of 6 figures or more, but we'll get to there. But guys, when it comes to Forex trading, like I told you guys, it takes time, but you have to be consistent with it. And once you be consistent, you will see and you'll be able to hit 4 to 5 figures every single month, okay? So again, this is just a motivational video for you guys to see that it is possible if you only put in the time and the effort to trade, okay? But if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free. And yeah, peace. I am excited about following my trading rules because the profits give me freedom and security. I am curiously watching the charts and only take the very best trade setups. I am enjoying the freedom, abundance, and fun that comes with professional trading. I am grateful that I effortlessly pay for every expense and luxury in my life. I am excited about learning new trading skills because they pay for my adventures. I am extremely grateful for all of my profitable trades. I am confidently checking my bank account balance after my monthly deposit of $100,000 in trading profits. I am feeling completely in sync with the primary trend and effortlessly take trades in that direction. I am attracting abundance into my life in a way that's the best for everyone involved. I am feeling centered and make great trading decisions because I meditate in the morning and evening. I am excited about following my trading rules because the profits give me freedom and security. I am curiously watching the charts and only take the very best trade setups. I am enjoying the freedom, abundance, and fun that comes with professional trading. I am grateful that I effortlessly pay for every expense and luxury in my life. I am excited about learning new trading skills because they pay for my adventures. I hope you guys enjoyed this small affirmation. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is free. Make sure to listen to this small affirmation before trading for 30 days, and you will see the changes in your trading skills. Thank you guys, and much love to you. Peace.